My chocolate cake story. Hello to all my dear companions. Welcome back to another exciting new video. Today we are going to create a chocolate masterpiece together, a chocolate bundt cake with dreamy ganache. But I want to share a secret with you, a very personal secret that makes this cake more than just a dessert for me. This cake is a journey back in time to the warmth of my mother's kitchen. Do you know why chocolate cake is more special to me than any other dessert? Because it whisks me away to my mother's house, to the warm and comforting scent that always filled our kitchen. I was a mischievous child. I was always looking for a nook or cranny to peek into and see what my mom was cooking up. But the making of a chocolate cake was a sacred ritual for me, a kind of culinary dark magic. I remember my mom had a cake pan that was so strange to me. It wasn't round, nor was it square. It had countless twists, turns, and patterns, just like this bundt pan I'm holding now. We used to call it the cake crown pan. When Mom pulled it out of the cupboard, I knew something big was about to happen. I felt like this cake was going to be the king of all cakes. When Mom started working, I sat on the counter and watched her with wide eyes. She arranged the bowls and ingredients with such unique care and precision. The flour, the dark, fragrant cocoa powder, the fine sugar, everything had its place. The moment she sifted all the dry ingredients together, it was as if a chocolate brown cloud spread through the air, and I'd take a deep breath. The scent of pure cocoa, that was the first smell of heaven for me. That aroma still intoxicates me, even after all these years. Next, it was the mixer's turn. Mom would beat the butter and sugar until their color lightened and the texture was like a cloud. She always said, if you don't beat it with love and patience, the cake won't rise well and won't be fluffy, my son or daughter. And I would stand beside her like a serious little helper, sometimes even getting permission to press the mixer button or hold the bowl steady. Those moments felt like being in a secret laboratory. The blending of ingredients, the change in textures, the amazing smell of vanilla, all of it gave me a special feeling. What was my favorite part? Pouring the thick dark cake batter into that crown van. Mom would always be so careful to grease and flour every corner of the pan so the cake wouldn't stick and the crown design wouldn't be ruined. I remember one time I rushed and wanted to pour the batter too soon. Mom laughed and told me, "Wait, champion, we must respect the pan for a beautiful cake." Then she would slowly and evenly pour the batter into the mold with patience. The beauty of that thick, glossy batter settling quietly into the ridges of the mold is still vivid in my mind. Then the cake went into the oven. Oh, how hard it was to bear those 45 minutes. I'd press my face against the oven glass and watch the cake slowly rise. Every minute felt like an hour. The smell that spread through the house, the scent of chocolate and baking, was intoxicating. When Mom inserted a matchstick into the cake and it came out clean, she said, "It's done. A delicious crown is ready." But the real masterpiece was the final touch, the ganache. My mom always made a glossy, velvety sauce. She chopped the chocolate bar and heated up the cream. When she poured the hot cream over the chopped chocolate, it was like a dark silken river starting to flow. I wouldn't trade that moment for anything. Once the ganache cooled down slightly and reached the perfect consistency, Mom would gently pour it like a dark, brilliant rain over the cool chocolate bundt cake. That ganache would hug the cake's layers like a warm, glossy blanket, spilling down the creases and patterns of the mold. Our chocolate cake was now a magnificent, stately, and styling chocolate cake. Those days are long gone. I grew up and became a baker myself. But every time I make a chocolate cake, I feel my mom is right next to me. I see her smile and smell that unique scent of our old home. This chocolate bundt cake with ganache has that exact same taste. The taste of a home, the taste of love, and the taste of a sweet old night. Every time I take a slice, all those memories come flooding back to life. Now, are you ready to spread this delightful aroma in your own kitchen and bake a magical crown cake too? I am sure this cake won't just sweeten your palate. It will take you on a nostalgic journey just like it does for me. So let's get started.